top 10 recording artists from Jamaica. Bob Marley. Bob Marley is a legendary reggae artist who is widely considered to be one of the greatest musicians of all time, with hit songs such as One Love, No Woman, No Cry, and Redemption Song. Jimmy Cliff. Jimmy Cliff is a reggae and ska artist who is known for hit songs such as Many Rivers to Cross and The Harder They Come. Peter Tosh. Peter Tosh was a reggae artist and member of Bob Marley's band, the Wailers. He was known for hit songs such as Legalize It and Stepping Razor. Shaggy. Shaggy is a Jamaican-American reggae and dancehall artist who has had numerous hit songs, including Boombastic, It Wasn't Me, and Angel. Sean Paul. Sean Paul is a dancehall artist who has had numerous hit songs, including Get Busy, Temperature, and I'm Still in Love with You. Buju Banton. Buju Banton is a reggae and dancehall artist who has had hit songs such as Champion and Wanna Be Loved. Beres Hammond. Beres Hammond is a reggae artist known for hit songs such as What One Dance Can Do and Putting Up Resistance. Toots and the Maytals. Toots and the Maytals are a reggae and ska band who have had hit songs such as Pressure Drop and 54 to 46 Was My Number. Damian Marley. Damian Marley is a reggae artist and son of Bob Marley, known for hit songs such as Welcome to Jamrock and Road to Zion. Chronix. Chronix is a reggae artist known for hit songs such as Here Comes Trouble and Likes.